Hey guys, T Livingston 14 here, coming at you with a bike check. I did a bike check about a month ago. Haven't really changed much, but last bike check I shot with my iPod. This time I'm shooting with my new Canon Rebel T3i camera. So hopefully get some better quality out of it. Start up in the front. I have the Odyssey, or no, not Odyssey, my bad. ODI long neck grips with We the People bar ends. Kink human bars. They are 8.75 rise. They come 29.5 wide, I believe. I cut them to 27.5 wide. It's better for bar spins. Running the Profile push stem, 48mm in black. Really love the stem. Gives you some extra pull when you're doing your hops and everything. Just super nice. Looks good too. Got the Odyssey top cap. Running down to my Odyssey R25 forks in chrome, the steep ones. I really love these forks. Super strong. I actually had a pair in black before these ones. I have an Eastern headset. It doesn't really bother me if it's Eastern. I don't really care. Headset's a headset. Just bearings, whatever. Front hub, the Odyssey Vandero 2 hub, laced up to the Odyssey Hazard Light hoop. My front tire is a Odyssey Hawk 2.4 tan wall tire. Super nice tires. Make everything feel nice and fast. Spin good. Manuals are great. Just all around a great tire. Seat, I'm running the Kink Sean Sexton seat. It's got a little knife on it there. Super nice, super padded seat. I love it. Volume polished pivotal seat post with a Sunday black clamp. Odyssey JCPC pedals with Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. 175mm right hand drive. They're hollow. You can kind of see through them right there. Sprocket, I have the Fit DLS sprocket 25 tooth polished with a KMC chain. Back wheel, I have a Primo Mix cassette hub laced up to another Odyssey Hazard Light hoop with another Odyssey Hawk tire, but this one's a 2.2 dimension. What else? See them in there in my box. I'm running salt pegs, left side, front and rear. I like them. Super nice pegs. Slide good. And last but not least, the frame. The frame is a Sunday Forecaster frame. It was red, but I had it stripped and powder coated this candy translucent purple, and I really like that on the chrome. Looks good with the tan walls and everything. But yeah, Sunday Forecaster, 20.75 top tube, 75 degree head tube, 71 degree seat tube, 11.5 or 11.3 bottom bracket height, so that's nice. And then a short rear end, it's 13.125 rear end. 41 thermal lifetime warranty, so I'm set for life with this thing. Don't really believe I'll be changing frames anytime soon because I'm super happy with this one. It rides great, spins great, everything's good. Love my bike right now, rides really good. Yeah, that's about it. That's my bike. Thanks for watching. See ya.